You want to run Roblox scripts on your mobile. I'm going to show you exactly how. The best way is with the Delta Executor. It's super easy. Just open it up and select your game from the list of servers. Okay, so first things first. Let me walk you through this tutorial step by step for iOS devices. You'll need a jailbroken iPhone or iPad. I know what you're thinking, jailbreaking sounds complicated, but trust me, once you get past this part, everything else is actually pretty simple. Alright, after you've successfully jailbroke your device, go ahead and tap into Settings. Right here in your main control center, navigating down, find General, then scroll all the way over to Software Update. This is where we will install our custom Delta version. Once that's installed, head back out to your home screen and simply launch the official Roblox app like normal. And there you have it. The script should be running perfectly inside any game you choose to play.